Good morning. Welcome to the forest. Yes, forest in Downs Park. I'll show you around. Yeah, so me and Rico's walking this morning. Come on, don't worry. It's okay. It's such a lovely place. Lots of trees and yeah. Okay. Slow, slow, Rico. Wait for mommy. Oh, I know that is goat. Nice trees. So we start from there, and then we're gonna go all the way down, 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 down. I will see you down. See you in and down. That's a nice, lovely place. I don't think you can do like a slide it out, but that's all the way down here, and then there. Martin and Rico there. It's nice because Rico's coming. Martin has come with us today. His last day before he's go back to school tomorrow. Yeah. That's lovely. Rico just found a goat. Goat there. This is a wild goat actually, isn't it? Yeah. Hi goats. That's nice. Oh, okay, you can go down now, Rico. Go down now. Right, we can go down. Where's Rico? What did you find? Just keep carry on, Mart. I catch you there. Yeah. All the way there. We walk from there. Yeah. Now we're going up. More up, 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 up. Whew. There we go, another boat. Yes. That's nice. Another boat went past. We're gonna go right to the end. Hopefully we can walk right to the end as well, and then I will show you there. But this one is the one of the famous here in England's Brunel. Yeah, show you in a minute. Stay. Yes. Yes. Nice boat. You can stay here, sorry. That's a nice boat restaurant. The restaurant is open now. There's a restaurant on the boat. There's a bar on the top. It's nice. It's like greens. Restaurant's good. There we go. That's all the way. So where come from over there early. Then you walk all the way here. That way. This is still long way. But me and Rico is going to collect the boys soon. Michael and Martin and Stephanie. Same way, Rico. Yes. Rico's having a nice fresh air. So it's very close to the mango. It's nice. Yeah. So look that way in a minute. Alright, we'll see you soon. Another. Man, Rico walked so far. I don't know. Look at the view here from where we are. Yes, we walk all the way there. This is like apartment next to Michael and Martin's school. And so we're gonna walk all the way here and go that way. And then This way. And then carry on. That way. Michael and Martin. Just go around in the corner. This way. Come on. That's not your garden. That's it. That's Michael and Martin school building. That's their school. Here. That's part of their school. There. Here. Lovely building. This way. Here. So Rico, we're apparently working here. This way we go. Yeah. Where's mommy's car? That's mommy's car. See? Nice. Okay. Right, Rico and I, we can have some nice rest. A little bit before Michael, Martin, and Stephanie's arrive. Rico just had a water. Hi, Rico. Hello, say hello to everybody. Hey, you're tired now? Yes, seems as mommy, I'm tired, but it's okay. Well, we'll see you soon, everyone. Yeah, we're still waiting for Michael and Martin and Stephanie's school. We're outside in their school. I show you their school. That's Martin and Michael's school. That's the main road in front of their school, actually, and this is the other side of their school. There's the big main gate. That's good. That's nice. And this is like an office for other business. This is a house, it's like apartment around here because it's a school, it's because it's a college. So there's a lot of students live here. Yeah. So, back to me and Rico. Yeah, I think we got, gosh, we started, what time now? We started to walk out 2:45 and now is it 3:55, so a bit more hour. That's not bad, that's a good walk really. Yeah, so I'm planning to do my cooking later when we get home, if I have time, because I know I have lots of job to do. Actually, I tried, so I need to take a video cooking. I would like to share to everyone, especially to my friends in Europe or England, how to cook my special chicken adobo. A bit of dry adobo. Especially my friends here in England, they would like to know how to cook the special adobo that I always have in my party. And later on I will show you how to cook. So we see you a bit later. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Rico's hiding. Bye bye, Rica.